Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys are in for a treat in today's episode because we are coming back to you from Universal Epic Universe, the all-new theme park. I'm very excited for this one because it's going to take us to Super Nintendo World, my personal favorite at the park. And what we're going to be doing today is basically touring around and looking at all the new limited time offerings to promote the all-new film, The Super Mario Galaxy movie. So let's head right through the portal and on into the Mushroom Kingdom because this one's going to be fun. I'm excited to show you guys around, and it's going to start right over here in the center of Super Nintendo World. So let's get right into it. It's going to be an awesome one. So we just came up the escalator, and before we head on down to the Mushroom Kingdom, I just wanted to bring up a point that today it is very overcast. Not really a good park day. Rain is in the forecast all day. But I do want to bring up the fact that one of the limited time offerings here is actually the chance to meet Yoshi. So that was one of the big reasons he wanted to come. If we don't get a chance to meet him because he won't come out in inclement weather of any kind, then I don't know. We definitely will not have a chance to come back, most likely, before he is gone. He is a limited time offering at the park for the Super Mario Galaxy movie. He's only meeting in the park from March 10th until April 13th. April 13th being only in a couple of days from when I'm filming this. We're gonna camp out, take a walk around. Hopefully we'll get to see him eventually today, and if we do, he'll be in the video, of course. So we're gonna go walk around and see what we can find. But aside from that, guys, we're gonna go and grab a bite to eat and try some of the limited time offerings that are here to promote the all-new movie. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now our first stop is going to be over to Turbo Boost Treats on the second floor, right at the exit of the Mario Kart ride. This has a couple limited time offerings that I wanted to grab and that we wanted to try. The first one is going to be the Galaxy Popcorn for $9.99. It's colorful, really fits the surrounding area. It truly belongs in the Super Nintendo world, and I would kind of like to see more flavored popcorn like this have an everlasting option here to grab in Super Nintendo World. But aside from that, we also got the item box pretzels. They do have it in two different flavors. You can get it either salted or in cinnamon sugar. It was very good, mighty tasty. It does come with cheese dipping sauce, and this one goes for $14.99. So let me know what you guys think. Over here at Turbo Boost Treats on the second level of Super Nintendo World. Let me know if you would like to try these treats. Let me know if you have had them and what do you think. But with that being said, guys, we're going to head on now to go grab lunch over at the Toadstool Cafe, right here where I'm facing. Let's go ahead and do that because they do have one item that I do want to try that is limited time to promote the all-new movie. There are a couple items that I got because they looked tasty and I wanted to try them. So the first thing that we got was the Super Mushroom Pizza Bowl, which comes with mozzarella, sausage, pepperoni, mushroom marinara sauce topped with a Super Mushroom Pizza crust. And I don't even know where to begin with this thing because I've never got it before. It has this like crust breading on the top. You just peel it open, and then there's your soup inside. So I don't even know where to begin with cracking this thing open. I've always wanted to try it, and now here we go. Okay, I think the best way to experience this would actually be to break the bread off and use it sort of to dip into the soup. It's actually pretty good. I wish I've tried it sooner because I actually so far really like it. We're gonna go ahead and have more of it though because I want to finish this bad boy up. Next on our list for the Super Mario Galaxy movie is actually the Rosalina Cupcake. They have an all-new cupcake that can only be found here at Toadstool Cafe, and it looks really cute. I love the design of it, very fitting for the movie. Rosalina was, in my opinion, one of the best new additions to this film versus the first one. I'm not like the biggest fan of cupcakes, but I'm gonna give it a try. Oh, just fell right off into the fork. Here we go. As far as theme park cupcakes go, it's very good. I love the flavoring that they use. It's pretty tasty. Gonna turn my whole tongue blue. I'm just not a fan of cupcakes overall. For the price, I can't beat it. It's definitely, I think, a good fit for kids. Gonna bite into the crown now. Inside the One Up Factory, we wanted to hop on in over here because there is some new merchandise surrounding the all-new film. A lot of it, didn't really pique my fancy. A lot of toys, things that I'll never buy. But one new gadget that they do have that I think is worth checking out are the new Luma shoulder buddies. They can sit right here on your shoulder and they interact, they light up. They do have two different colors as well, one in blue and one in yellow. So that's worth checking out here at the store. They do run for $40, I believe, and they don't only sell them here at Epic Universe, but also sell them over at Universal Studios Florida in City Walk. So you can go ahead and check them out over there as well as here at Epic. So that's just some of the new merchandise they have here at the park surrounding the all-new film. So we've been waiting around for hours, basically all day, popping in and out of Super Nintendo World just to see if we could get like a glimmer of hope that Yoshi is going to come out and meet. We got in line, tried it out one time, and got literally next in line, front of the line, and he had to go inside for rain. So we came back later, and guys, we did it. We met Yoshi. We literally tried all day. This was like the main goal in coming today, just to meet and see Yoshi before, while we could, and it did not disappoint. My excitement, the inner kid in me, was ecstatic the whole time. That was amazing. Guys, we met Yoshi. If you were coming to the park, I don't know when this video is going to go out, but if you were coming to the park, what we noticed is that he does have scheduled times. Of course, that can change, but talking to team members, and what we have noticed is that around every hour is when he's scheduled to meet. So I believe on the top of the hour is when Mario and Luigi are supposed to come out, and then on the 30 is when Yoshi's supposed to come out. So we got in line. I believe the first time we tried was 3:30, and then we tried at 4:30 when we were successful. So that's what we noticed, and we also talked to some very kind team members that helped us gauge when his next meeting time would be, and he does meet all the way up until around 8:30. The park closes now at 9. They've been closing at 10, but now that spring break crowds are diminishing, 9 is the scheduled time for the foreseeable future for when the park closes. So he meets basically all throughout the day, as well as the other Super Nintendo World characters, which I think this is good to know if you were coming to the park, and that's really why I wanted to make this video, to kind of help you plan things out on your day. I know when you come to a theme park, everything is go, 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 and it's good to have like a game plan. This is sort of the best advice I can give you. So definitely talk and reach out to those team members working the character meet and greet lines, because they're gonna be the ones to know when each character in Super Nintendo World, their designated area, and when they'll be coming out. So that is definitely a pro tip. And here comes the rain again. I'm standing out here. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, but that is the best advice I can give you when coming to Super Nintendo World, if you really do want to make time meeting these characters when you come to the park. Well, that's our show, everyone. Thanks for sticking it out with us here for another, I was gonna say beautiful, it's kind of muggy out, but that's okay. It's a theme park. It's a brand new theme park, Epic Universe. Guys, thank you once again for joining us for another adventure. I really do appreciate it. If you're new around, of course, as always, be sure to like and subscribe down below. It's free, helps the channel out a ton. You guys have no idea. But I'm going to get on out of here. I'm tired. Woke up early to be here today, but now it's getting a little late. It's cold out. So, you know what? Honestly, crowd-wise, maybe the rain scared people away, but crowd-wise, not a bad day for the park. But anyway, guys, we're going to get on out of here. Take care. Have a good one. See you in the next adventure. Bye-bye now.